my loves, how are you? I think you are doing great. So today I'm gonna share with you you already have applied mascara, so when you press the falsies with your natural lashes, it will help to set the falsies properly and it will not look like as a falsies. You can see that how beautifully it has applied. And one more thing, that you have to apply the eyelashes as close as your natural eyelash line, not in the upper lid or anywhere. So this process is very easy and you don't need any tweezer. All the work can be done just by your hand, I mean just by your fingers. So this is very easy method for beginners. All you have to do, just keep patience and try to practice this method like 1 or 2 times, and yeah, here we go. See that how beautifully the falsies is applied. You can check the upper eyelid by holding one mirror at the upper side. So you have to hold one corner of the eyelash and then gently take it out from the packet, and as the same process I have told you before, shake it by holding the 2 corners of the eyelashes, so the bending will remain proper and it will set properly with your eye size. And then give some glue and give some extra glue at the outer part, and then wait for 30 seconds. When it will become tacky, apply it. So you can see that how beautifully the falsies are applied, and it looks so pretty. If you want to add some eyeliner, then you can add, but without eyeliner it is also very good, I guess. Here I am using the sketch eyeliner from the Blue Heaven brand. I like it very much. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the notification super fast. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.